Hey there, Angela Langlotz, trademark and business law attorney, going live as I do every weekday to talk about the law. Today, I'm going to answer a question that I get a lot. People ask me, Angela, why should I bother to register my trademark? I already have common law rights just because I'm using it. And I say, well, there are 6 reasons, but I only have time to give you 3 of them today. So you're going to have to come back later to get the other 3. The number 1 reason to register a trademark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office is that you get nationwide exclusive rights to use that mark in interstate commerce. Now, without a federal registration, you only have rights where you're actually using the mark. So let's say, for example, that you have a restaurant and you do business in Oklahoma and Texas. You only have rights to that name in Oklahoma and Texas, right? If somebody else decides that they want to set up a restaurant in New York and start franchising that everywhere except Oklahoma and Texas, they have the right to do that because you're not using that mark anyplace but Oklahoma and Texas, right? So if you want nationwide exclusive rights to your trademark, you're gonna have to get a trademark registration. Now, the second reason to register your trademark is to put other people on notice. Now, when you register a trademark, it is in the trademark database for other people to find and then avoid. When you register, your mark is permanently in the trademark database, even if it's later expired, for example, it's still there. But when you register it, you're telling everybody, hey, back off, back off. This is my mark, and I am asserting nationwide rights to this mark. When they do a search, they can find your mark. Your competitors can find your mark and avoid it. So it helps you ward off any problems that might come from somebody inadvertently registering a trademark for your mark that you're already using. It avoids a lot of problems later because then you don't have to fight about it. Just get the registration for goodness sake. Reason number 3. Your rights as a trademark holder are presumed. There are a number of presumptions that you get when you have a trademark registration. Now you might think, big deal, I have presumptions. Well, let me tell you what those presumptions get you. Those presumptions put you in the driver's seat and everybody else has to prove otherwise. And when I say prove, guess what proof translates to? Money. Money, my friends. It costs money to prove things, all right? So when you have a trademark registration with the Patent and Trademark Office, you are presumed to have the best rights to that mark. You are presumed to have started using the mark at least as early as the first date in your application. There is proof of how you're using the marks. There's a whole bunch of presumptions that you get as a trademark registrant. You don't get those at common law, which means that if there's litigation over the mark, you have to go into court and prove those things. And that, my friends, is very expensive. I'm Angela Langlotz, and if you like this video, please share it. I give you my permission. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. You can also find me on Facebook at facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor. And if you have trademark questions or any questions about business law or copyrights or any IP issue, please message me at my Facebook page. I will answer your question in a future live and tag you so that you know I answered it. I'll see you later.